username, first name, last name, and password itself. So from this part, we need to create a username David, username Chu, and then David for the last name, and a password new user password 2023. From this part, we need to specify the target OU for the user creations. So example, hashtag $ target OU, so OUIT from the domain gmcnetworking.com. So we need to check if the users are already exist. And this part, if this statement get users filter some account name equal to that username. If that's true, then we need to create an account for that specific OU. If false, so right away, so create users accounts else already exist, and then we need to create a pass the variable from the standard users provisioning. After that, we need to run the script. So save, run the script, then user David create successfully in OUIT. So if we need to check that, so start server manager, then tools, active directory users and computers. We need to expand and then click for the OU of IT. See, so we are now created from PowerShell. Next, we need to create another user account from this OU. So come back to the PowerShell and then change from David like 1 David 1, and then change the target OU to the sales department dot sales OU. Then after that, you need to click save and run the script, and voila, the user David 1 created successfully in the OU of sales. Then we need to check if this user are exist, and then refresh. Yan, lumalabas po siya. That's it for provisioning users account. Okay, this will be the continuous. Now we need to deprovisioning the user accounts. From the parameter, $sign target OU and $sign username. So username equals to Marvin Cass. This will be the username, a single username, and then the OU. So we need to specify inactive users. So it means this Marvin will be moved this OU. Then we need to create a loop through each username and move the username to the target OU. So for each username in usernames, check if the user exists. So $ user exists, get ID, and then filter some accounts is equal to that username. If that exists, then we need to move ID object identify user exists that distinguish name, then target path will be the target OU. So this one, and then if not exists, then user name not found. So we need to run this one in order to okay. So user Marvin Cass moved to inactive users. Then we need to check if it is correct. So we need to refresh. So as you can see, Marvin Cass is not in the ITOU. So we need to check inactive users. Refresh, and now Marvin Cass 1. That will be part of an inactive users. To deprovisioning multiple accounts. From this part, we need to enclose from array. So in array, we need to include a multiple user accounts. After that, like let's say Cho David and Ken Chu. So this will be the sample of the user account and different OU. From sales, Martin David, and from the IT, can chew. So we need to move that account in active users. So save, click run, and then voila. So chew David not found. So ang na-move lang is si Kenchu. So we need to check if this one is not already been created. Refresh. Sales. Okay. So Martin David. So we need to change. Martin David. Save and run the script. Yeah. Check if Martin David is already been moved to inactive users. Gun, and then check inactive users. Refresh. Okay.